Ignoring maintenance requests and habitability standards. Neglecting maintenance requests or habitability standards can quickly lead to legal troubles and dissatisfied tenants. Landlords who fail to address these responsibilities risk violating legal requirements and endangering tenant health and safety. Tenants have the right to a home that meets basic habitability standards, including adequate heating, running water, and a safe environment. Ignoring these obligations can result in lawsuits, penalties, and damaged landlord-tenant relationships. Delaying or ignoring tenant maintenance requests is a common mistake. Small issues like a leaky faucet or a broken appliance can escalate into costly repairs if left unattended. For instance, minor plumbing problems may lead to extensive water damage. Tenants often see slow responses as negligence, which undermines trust and sparks disputes. Promptly addressing requests not only resolves issues efficiently, but also shows tenants you value their comfort and safety. Failing to meet habitability standards is another significant risk. Local housing codes mandate that properties be free of hazards like mold, pests, or unsafe wiring. Violations can lead to legal action, fines, or government intervention to enforce compliance. Tenants in unsafe conditions may withhold rent or terminate leases early, causing financial strain for landlords. Keeping your property up to code protects both your tenants and your business. To avoid these pitfalls, address maintenance requests promptly, and ensure your property meets legal standards. Create a system for tenants to report issues and provide regular updates on repairs. Conduct routine inspections to identify potential problems early. By prioritizing maintenance and habitability, landlords foster trust, create a safer environment for tenants, and protect their investments from costly disputes.